Okay, let's go. We're going to solve this not by introducing any new formula. Rather, we will solve by brainstorming with what we know already. I know, just as you two know, that the area of a triangle has a formula half base times height. And looking at this triangle, I may be tempted to see this as the base, because literally base means bottom, but in triangle it is not usually so. The base of a triangle is defined by any side of the triangle and a perpendicular line to that side. That defines the base and the height. So if I take it as the base, then it means that my height is going to be a perpendicular line from angle 30 to this side. If I do that, I don't know the base, neither do I know the height. So what I will do instead is to draw a perpendicular line to cut across any of these known sides. So I may prefer to take this. So let me draw my perpendicular line. Good. So this defines the base and this is my height. So I can say that the area is going to be half my base is 6 times the height. I still don't know the height. But looking at this triangle, I've gotten another triangle from here. I will realize that this triangle is a right angle triangle. This angle is 30 degrees. This is H and this is 5 centimeters. So I will find a way to express my height in terms of 30 degrees and this side of 5 centimeters. This will take me to opposite over hypotenuse, that is sine 30. So sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite H over hypotenuse 5. Then I have to make H the subject of the formula. My H will be equal to, by cross multiplication, this gives me 5 sine 30. So I will plug in the value of H into this formula of the area of a triangle. So the area of the triangle becomes 1 over 2 times 6 times my H is 5 sine 30. This gives me 1 over 2 times 6 times 5. Sine 30 is 1 over 2. So I'm going to have 2 here 1. Into this I have 3. So the answer is going to be 15 over 2. Which becomes, okay, I can express it as 7.5 squared centimeter as the final answer. Thank you. Please like, share, and make your comment. See you in my next video.